Yeah, there's the fish. Yeah. Big, huge fish. Monster fish. Caught them out here. And there's our anchor, our fish line on the bottom. Got my trying to catch a nice big one. Yep. Not much going on here. Doing a little fishing with me and my buddy. Caught a bunch of fish. That's a grayling, a big rocker, and one big linger. We're pretty much at our limit there. Yeah, but this is Zero Rock, I think. That's America right there in the distance. But we're here for the fish. That's a grayling. Good eating. That's a lingcod and that's a rocker. And get up and go fishing. I'll leave it on for a bit. Yeah, we had the fish bite going crazy there. Tide changed. Well, if I get another bite, I'll put it back on. Cheers.